Assalamu alaikum everyone. I'm Halima and today I'm making a video for grade 5 math students as well as their concerned parents. So let's get started. This is the book I'll be solving and I'll make sure you understand every bit of it inshallah. We'll start off with chapter 1, counting to 10 millions. This question has already been solved, but I'm going to give you a quick recap so that there's no further confusion. If we were to start writing this number 13,605, we'd start off with the place value chart. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000, and a million. If you know it well, you can ace everything. This is very important to remember. All right, so we'll just quickly review this. 5 in ones, 0 in tens, 6 in hundreds, 3 in thousands, 1 in 10,000s. This is exactly what I've written here, right? In the next step, you just have to expand. As you can see, they've already solved it. 1, 10,000, 3,000, 600, and 5 ones, right? They've written the same thing in words as 13,605, okay? Moving on, all you need to know is that 100,000 or 1 lakh has 5 zeros, whereas 100,000 or 1 million has 6 zeros, right? Other questions were the exemplary ones, so we've directly moved on to question number 4. It says, show 513,924 using number discs or place value cards, right? The first thing that we need to do is the place value chart. This they've already done for you. See, let's write down the number here. 513,924. When you see this number, the first thing that you know is to divide the number into two parts, thousands and hundreds. See? Okay, so ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, and 100,000s. This has already been done for you. All you need to do is divide the number into two parts, thousands and hundreds, right? In the next step, what they've done is expand 500,000, 1, 10,000, 3 thousands, 9 hundreds, 2 tens, and 4 ones. Let's fill in the blank. Let's write the number down, 513,924. The first thing that we need to do is divide the number into two parts, okay? Look, 924 is already written for us. What we left with is 513. What are we going to write here? 513,000. Why did I write 1,000 here? Because this is in the thousands place. Now let's write the number in words as the question says. Let's solve the thousands place first. It's going to be 513,000, right? 513,000, comma. Next is the hundreds place. 924. Question number 5 just shows that 10 million is written as this. You remember 1 million has 6 zeros, so 10 million has 10 plus 6 zeros, so 7 zeros. Other questions were again the exemplary ones, so we've directly moved on to question number 8. It says, show the number using the number disc or place value card. The first thing that we need to do is the place value card. This part they've already done for you. 9 millions, look, 9 millions. What is in the 100,000s place? Can you tell me? Yes, it is 6, absolutely. 0 in 10,000s, 3 in thousands, 4 in hundreds, 5 in tens, and 2 in ones. Next step, you know, it's simple to expand, right? They've written 9 millions as this, 600,000s as this. What is in the place of 10,000? Can you tell me? Yes, it is 0, absolutely. 3,000s as written here, 4 hundreds, 5 tens, and 2 ones. Let's fill in the blank. First, let's write down the number 9,603,452. Remember, first we used to divide the number into hundreds and thousands, but here we're also going to divide it into millions. So it's 9,603,452. They've already written 452. They've done 603,000 for us. What we left with is the 9. So 9 million. You know, million has 6 zeros. So you're just going to write 9 and 6 zeros. Also, if you don't remember, you can see after 9, there are 6 digits. So you can, do it that way also. But it's better to remember that 9 million has 6 zeros. Next, it's asking us that how do you write this number in words? As I said, the first thing we need to do is 9,603,452. I'm not writing the place value chart because it's already done for us. Let's just straight away write it into words. 9 million, as you can see here, 9,603,000. Now this part, 452. That's it. Moving on to the other question, it says, what is the number represented by the place value cards? Write in words, right? The first thing that we need to do is to write the place value chart. This is very important. If you know this, you're going to ace everything, inshallah. Let's start off with part A and divide the number into 3 parts again. 5,068,300, right? I'll say it again, 5,068,300. Now let's write it in words. 5,068,300. Moving on to part B, first thing we're going to do is write the numbers under the place value chart. It's going to be 4,003,240. Let's divide the number. 4,003,240. This we're going to write it in words. 4,003,000. Now this part, 240. That's it. Coming to another question, let's write the missing numbers. First thing what we need to do is after we see the number is write the place value. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, 100,000, and a million. Okay, let's divide the number into 3 parts. 2,019,005. Written 5 for us. They've already done 2 million for us. What we're left with is 19. As we see that 19 is in the place of 1,000, so we're going to write 19,000. Next one, let's divide the number. 4,803,654. Now see, 4 million is already done for us. 803,000 they've done for us. What we left with is 654. That's it. Let's divide the number again. 8,007,300. They've done 300 for us. They've written 7,000 for us. What we're left with is 8 million. You know million has 6 zeros, so we're just going to write it here. Also because there are 6 digits after 8, so we're just going to write 6 zeros if you find it easy that way, okay? But if you remember it, it's going to be the best way, of course. Okay, let's divide the number into 3 parts. 9,230,090. They've done 90 for us. 9 million is done too. What we're left with is 230,000. Why? Because it's in the place of thousands. So let's just write it down. 230,000. Oh, the next one is a little tricky. They've just written the number on the other side. The method is going to be the same. Let's divide the number in the same way. 6,057,042. They've done 6 million for us. 42 is done too. What we're left with is 57,000, right? In the next question, we have to do the same. We have to divide the number into 3 parts. 9,300,008. 8 is done for us. 300,000 is done for us. What we're left with is 9 million. This is the answer. I hope you enjoyed the video. I know it'll take a little time to understand, But if you watch it repeatedly, you surely will. That's it for today. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye bye.